In this program, the management of the production process is linked to buy orders and stock management. A correct use of it will make us have a strict control of the used material and of the required material. Select a supplier from Entities Doc and drag it to the workspace to create an MO. Close here. Right-click and select Buy Order. Now right-click again and insert the items you want to order from your supplier. Insert items, and we will buy PVC canvas. So, again. So, you can also open the item stock and select it from here, drag it here, the same way like insert. So, now we connect the balls here. If we double-click the item, we can specify the measures and units to order. Click the Supplier Measures button to select the available measures. Here, and we will select here. OK. And the units, we will have 6 units. OK. Right-click above the buy order and select Finalize Buy Order to create a final PDF. So here we have a buy order, PVC canvas, description, PVC canvas, 6 units, measures, 96 quadrat meters, price €2, value 192 euros. OK, close here. When the products arrive from the supplier, you should open the buy order. In this case, it is already opened, so we are just going to create an entry order. Right-click in the empty space and create an entry order. A dialog appears. Here you should input your supplier document name. So, OK. Instead of creating the item again, right-click above the buy order and select Copy Branches. Here, right-click above the entry order and select Past. So, now we need to give entry to all the material. To do so, right-click again in the entry order and select Give Entry. So, just one step missing. Double-click the buy order and mark the checkbox as finished. Here. OK. The objective of this is to help you keep track of unfinished orders. Let's suppose the supplier doesn't send you the entire order. You can give entry to just some items and then make another entry in the same MO later when the rest arrives. To keep track of the buy orders, we can close here. To keep track of the buy orders, go to Stocks, Buy Order. And you can filter using various parameters here. All finished, unfinished, finished here, and unfinished here. As we gave entry to PVC canvas, we now have something in stock to work with. First, let's open the stock by clicking the toolbar button here. So, as we can see, it has some options to filter the results by location, label, code, name, and color. In the first window, a more compact result is shown. It groups the stock, only showing one row for all equal items. Not here. If you click on it, it shows a more detailed table below. Here. In the bottom part of the table is where we work. In this case, we gave entry to 6 units. The first thing we should do is create a label and move them to the storage space. To do that, right-click over the row and select Labeling. Here is our label. Now do it again, but select Move. Take into account that you can also use the buttons below. A dialog window appears asking for the location. Right-click, move, here. In front, for example. Okay. For a correct use of the stock, users must tell the program which items are they using in order to keep the stock always updated. Keeping stock in good levels is crucial for the company. GDWorkflow helps you accomplish that. Close here. Go to Stocks, Level Control. You can drag items from the Items dock. Here, we open the Items dock. And here we have already PVC canvas, but without measures. Now, here. Yes, this is our PVC canvas. You can drag it and double click on it and say the minimum units you want to keep track. Maybe 14 units. Okay. If you click Control Level, you can see what is below the minimum required, which will be in red. Very easy. Here we have it in red because we have only 5 PVC canvas in stock. And here is in green because the minimum units are 2 and we have 50 in stock. Okay, thank you for listening.